So, like I promised, I'm going to do a disassembly video on my Sig Saurer P226 by KWC. Alright, so just in case you're done. First things first, remove the magazine. Just going to put that over there. Out of sight. Alright, so when you get it like this, once no magazine and everything, first thing you're going to want to do is press down there and take out this pin right here and remove the slide like I showed you in my review. Alright, so now that you got it down to this, you take your screwdriver, which is just a Phillips, or sorry, not a Phillips, it's just a flathead screwdriver, and you just unscrew these screws on the grip plate here. 1, 2, on this one side. And you see that one little metal piece will come out, so you want to move these screws over or somewhere where you know they'll be. Little metal piece I was talking about that covers over the spring right here for the magazine release, which will come out when I take the other grip plate off. So there's the first grip plate's off. As you can see, it's hollow at the back, and it's just one piece of plastic per side. So then you can see the inside here. There's a little tiny piece of metal right here, and it looks like it's all just plastic other than that. Oh, there's the mag release. I'll go over there. Okay, flip it over. Same thing on this side. 2 screws. And then you lose this. Also, the fake slide lock comes off. The mock slide, can't get in there without whatever. Doesn't really need to be there. The mock slide lock will come off as well. Grip plate, safety. Other thing, side grip plate. Alright, so now you're left with this. To get any farther than this in disassembly, you still only need to use this screwdriver right here. There's a pin, right here, right here, and basically if you press it with the screwdriver that I'm using at least will fit right in the hole. Push the pin out the other side and kind of replace the pin. So you move that pin over to the side with your other stuff and hold this down. Pull that out. Now you got your hammer and your spring that makes it go forward. You got your, I don't know how you would describe that because well, okay, this is the piece that the spring guide goes into. Oh god. This piece that the spring guide goes into. And then if you want to get your whole assembly with the your trigger assembly out of, if you don't want to get your trigger assembly out of here, you need one more tool, but that's the only other tool you're going to need. You need a small Phillips screwdriver. I'm just gonna, there's one screw right here. I'm just gonna unscrew that. Set that down. Set that aside. All right, and then to get this out, you pull it up at the front a little bit, and you up at the back. Then you push the trigger in. You hold it here like that. You pull it up and you let go. So here's your basic shell. And if you put this together, then it's just put the two halves together. Now it becomes a shell with a spring and the spring guide in the top section. Basically, here's your main lower receiver, which is a shell. Your trigger assembly, it's all plastic, except for the metal screws holding it together. And the springs on the inside of here for this, to allow the trigger, to make the trigger go forwards again. Alright, so that is my review, or my disassembly video of the KWC Sig Saurer P226.